You saw the executive order, the EO as we'll call it, on Friday. You call it truly revolutionary.
Truly
In what
revolutionary.
Sense?
Here's what it does. It basically says, I'm the new president, and those of you that are enforcing the Affordable Care Act, mainly the Departments of Justice, Health and Human Services, and the Treasury, should know that it will soon no longer be the law. So I don't want you to impose any fines, any set-offs, any penalties, or any taxes on it, because those might not ultimately be owed. Then the really revolutionary part, when you have the opportunity to exercise your discretion between the needs of the individual and the needs of the government, you will exercise that discretion in favor of the individual. That is what is truly revolutionary.
So it means don't enforce the law.
Well, it does say, do what you have to do. It is still the law, but I want you to dial back the severity of the enforcement, and I don't want you to punish a person or a state for what you think is their noncompliance, because it might not be noncompliance in a couple of months.
Well, when I hear the phrase revolutionary, I expect it to be the first time you've ever seen it.
It is the first time I've ever seen.
First time you have ever seen an order like this?
Yes, in which the chief executive officer, here the president, I've seen executive orders from presidents and governors have said you will exercise your judgment against the government and in favor of the individual. That is truly revolutionary, and Bill is exactly what he promised he would do.
Wow, so it's coming on tax season now, right? And
yes.
People are collecting their paperwork and
yes.
they're getting everything together, and the IRS, if you haven't paid the penalty, is sending out letters saying that you owe X amount of dollars.
Pull those letters back.
Now the president is saying ignore it.
Correct. Do not tax somebody, charge somebody, or set off on money that the federal government owes a state, because the rules may be different, will be different by April 15th.
But you say they should proceed expecting the law to be repealed soon.
Yes.
Is that what is said, or is that our interpretation?
That's what is said in the executive order, without giving a date. Obviously, you have Senator Cassidy, and you have Speaker Ryan, and you have a variety of proposals, and Congressman Price is not installed yet. He's the linchpin here. The congressman from Georgia, who is an orthopedic surgeon, who by the end of this week, I believe, will be the head of Health and Human Services, he'll have almost as much say as the president on what will replace the Affordable Care Act.
Wow. Revolutionary.
Yes. I am not surprised, Bill.
Thank you, sir. I mean, listen, when you get a letter from the IRS, man, you're like, well, what's this all about?
Right.
And now a lot of people are going to get this thing, and you're saying,
and Donald J. Trump is saying, don't worry about it.
Wow. New day.
Yes.
That's for sure. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
I've got some breaking news right now.